Chandi Tanabe Akio, or you call it Akio Tanabe. Akio Tanabe, right? Acha, okay. Professor from the Tokyo University.
Odisha, a beautiful, clean, and green state of India.
Great news for investors. If you're looking for an investment opportunity, there are various cities in India. Joining me now are David and Mona, my international correspondents. Guys, welcome.
Thank you, John. And yes, Odisha, a beautiful, clean, and green state of India. Odisha has resources and opportunities that global investors can explore. Mona, can you please tell how you discovered Odisha and Arowin?
Thank you, David. Arowin is an excellent example that has invested and grown in Odisha. See how Odisha is doing.
Odisha, situated on the east coast of India, is known for its glorious maritime heritage. Strategically located with 480 kilometers long coastline, deep seaports at Paradip and Damara, along with more ports coming up at vantage locations, Odisha is the eastern gateway to the Asian region. Odisha is uniquely placed to attract investments. With the grow fast infrastructure and a new industrial policy, the state is all set to be the preferred investment destination, not just in India, but in the entire South Asia.
Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha, is a city of temples. It presents a perfect blend of pristine cultural heritage with modern amenities and infrastructure in healthcare, education, recreation, commercial and residential spaces. The state has pursued a balanced approach to development with proactive support to industry and entrepreneurship.
The state of Odisha has been the predominant mineral hub of the country, with abundant deposits of chromite, bauxite, iron ore, coal, manganese, and graphite. It is one of the foremost educational centers in eastern India, with the presence of premier technical and management institutes. With one of the fastest growing economies in India, Odisha is poised to grow at around 12% by the year 2020. From being one of the largest producers of minerals, Odisha is on the threshold of becoming home to a variety of downstream and ancillary industries in the metal sector.
Odisha is home to many gigantic industries in steel, aluminum, and power sectors, helping the state attain a prominent place in the industrial landscape of the country. Odisha is committed to become an investment destination of choice, creating opportunities for business growth.
Rasgulla. What is the first thing that came to your mind when I just said that? Bengali sweet, right? But it actually originates from Odisha. Abdul Kalam was also known as the Missile Man of India. So no wonder that they named an island in Odisha after him, because this is where most of the missiles of India are tested. The Jagannath temple, which is supposed to be a very powerful temple, also has a lot of mystery around it. There were a number of things that I found that were really amazing, but there isn't anything to say that there's a crux of truth in it. But here's a really cool one. Every day, 500 to 600 cooks come over there to make the Mahaprasad that gets served to all the devotees. And look at how cool Odisha is. They have gone and organized India's first ever surf festival. Bhubaneswar, the capital city, is also known as the temple city of India. It has the highest number of temples and it was home to close to over 600 temples during the medieval times. The only leaning temple in the world, the Leaning Temple of Huma, is also from there. Odisha has the world's first white tiger safari ever, which was inaugurated in 1991. The Konark Temple, which was built in the 13th century, also known as the Sun Temple, has 24 wheels, each signifying the 24 hours in a day. One can precisely tell exactly what the time is just by looking at the shadows that are cast by these spokes. Chandipur beach is also known as a hide and seek beach because it disappears with the high and low tide up to a distance of 5.
सर arigato gozaimasu. आम सहित अच्छा तानाबे आकियो or you call it akio tanabe. Akio tanabe,
Japanese भाषा में थानाबे आकियो कहूछु
अच्छा ओके प्रोफेसर फ्रॉम द टोक्यो यूनिवर्सिटी
आगे।
आपण ओडिशा उपरे गवेषणा बहुत करचंदी केमिति आपनकर ओडिशा उपरे केमिति प्रथमे गवेषणा करिया को इच्छा हला
ओडिशा होची बहुत फेमस इन जापान भी
अच्छा
जगन्नाथ खालत ऊपर समस्या जानी छंती आ मोर ओडिशा ऊपर इंटरेस्ट आसला कारण जे ओडिशा रे विभिन्न प्रकार जाति लोक माने अछंती आदिवासी माने अछंती चसा माने अछंती आ खंडायत ब्राह्मण करन अन्य प्रदेश रे कोन होची अनेक माने खास कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सा होची जे ओडिशा रे विभिन्न प्रकार लोक मैंने अच्छा तथापि लोक मैंने प्राय शांति आज पर्यंत रहुचंती एटा केमिति संभव हैला एटा क्वेश्चन ऊपर मु गवेषणा करबा को चाहिए सेति पई मु विशेष भाव में इंटर कास्ट रिलेशनशिप ऊपर गवेषणा करथि हिस्टोरिकल ऐतिहासिक एवं एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल व्यू पॉइंट
अच्छा के तो कौन डिफरेंस आपण काहे की पाउचंदी काहे की शांतिपूर्ण काहे की ओडिशा डिफरेंट अन्य स्टेट्स मान भीतर
एटा मु जगन्नाथ खालत कथ कहली जे समस्त जानछंती जे जगन्नाथ खालत भितरे विभिन्न प्रभावता आसी आदिवासी प्रभाव आ अन्य प्रकार सब बौद्ध धर्मर प्रभाव भी अच्छी सेतारे सब इंटीग्रेट करछंती सेतारे विशेष भाव एक्सक्लूजन नहीं सब अन्य एलिमेंट को लेकिन गोटे प्रकार इंटीग्रेशन करिसेंती जे अन्य प्रदेश रे हन कोन होची सेतरे बेसी एक्सक्लूजन बेसी आपण आज कॉन्फ्रेंस रे भी देखले जे विभिन्न प्रकार माने दृष्टि लोक कथा कहिबे किंतु माने गोटे प्रकार माने सेता आलोचना चलिबा माने किए कहिबेनी ने ना ना तुमे किछि कहि परिबोनी एई परे तेनु माने लोक माने विभिन्न प्रकार दृष्टि मत कथा कहि पारंती किंतु माने तथापि सेतारे गोटे प्रकार माने कथाबार्ता हेई पारुची ओडिसा रे ओडिसा रो बहुत माने एटा पुण्यता
मैं जगन्नाथ कल्चर टा गोटे यूनिफाइंग फैक्टर भाबे काम करची ओडिसा रे जोटा कि अन्य स्टेट रे सेमति किछि गोटे यूनिफाइंग फैक्टर नाही
नाही मोली कहि होबनी किंतु ओडिसा रे सेटा निश्चित
बेसी काम कर सबठु इंटरेस्टिंग जिंस आपनक विषय रहला आपण एते फ्लुएंट ओडिया केमति कहउचंदी
म कम ओडिया कहउची जेतिके कहि पारुची सेटा सब आपन ओडिया लोक माने मते शिखाइते बहुत धन्यवाद तो मु एबे भला शुद्ध ओडिया कहि
नहीं नहीं कहउचंदी
मते लाज लागुची
ना 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 किंतु कोन टिके कहंतु केमति केते वर्ष आपण ओडिसा रे रहिचंदी
प्रथमे आसली 90 मसिया रे 1990 रे जेतेबेले मु जने पीएचडी स्टूडेंट थिली यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टोक्यो रे सेते मु प्रथमे आसली से दिनो मु प्रति वर्ष आसुची
अच्छा किंतु कंटीन्यूअसली रहिचंदी के
रहुनी किंतु सब मिसले 6-7 वर्ष हबो ओडिसा रे रहिथि
अच्छा को अंचल रे बेसिकली
बेसी मु प्रथमे खुर्दा रे 2 वर्ष तापर पुरी रे 2 वर्ष एबे कलाहांडी अंचल रे जिबा आसबा करूची
अच्छा एबे कोन एबे वर्तमान रो रिसर्च इंटरेस्ट कोन आपनकर
वर्तमान इंटरेस्ट सेटा विशेष भाव में वर्तमान आदिवासी लोकंकर अवस्था केमिति
अच्छा
इंटरेस्ट
अच्छा तो पाइक विद्रोह ऊपर कौन केमती आपनकर इंटरेस्ट हैला
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧାରେ ରହିଥିଲି ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ରାଜାଙ୍କର ଇତିହାସ ଉପରେ ଗବେଷଣା କରିଥିଲି ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ତ ପାଇକ ବିଦ୍ରୋହ ଉପରେ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରନ୍ତି ଆଉ ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲି ଏଟା ତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଆସେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବେଶୀ ଖଞ୍ଜାତଳକ ସହିତ ବି ଆମର ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କିମ୍ବଦନ୍ତୀ ଇତିହାସ କହିଛନ୍ତି ମୋର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ